Hello friends, this is Sunil Admane. Today I will talk on quick start on Node MCU Esp8266 on Arduino IDE. First you have to download software. The link is given. You can download from here. Then after downloading the software, install Arduino IDE and then open Arduino IDE in your PC laptop. Then you have to go into the file, then click on preferences and go to my blog and copy this link from my blog and paste into the additional board manager. Then you have click on OK. Then again go to the tools, then board manager. Go to the tools, then go to the board, then click on board manager. After clicking, it will take time for loading libraries. It will take a time. I create a blog for how to start on Arduino IDE. It will okay. After loading libraries, you have to type ESP8266 and down install this libraries in your Arduino IDE. Then it will take a few seconds for updating. After updating, then here is a link of a code. Download code from GitHub and paste this code in your Arduino IDE. Then connect your Node MCU to the PC. This is setup of Node MCU ESP8266 is connected to the laptop. Then you have to check port and board is properly selected or not, and port is selected correctly or not. Then you have to upload this code into the your microcontroller. After uploading, it will show done uploading. Then you check the output is LED is blinking after 500 milliseconds. This is the complete guide of how to start with Node MCU. And my next topic is internet control LED using Node MCU and how you can control using IoT. This is my next topic. If you like, please like, share.